Actually, ma'am, if we talk about the cost of the final expense, it really depends on a few things like your medical conditions, your age, and your state, like your area code, right? So we are gonna go ahead and ask you a couple of medical questions, like just a yes and no questions, right? That would help us determine which policy you qualify for and how much you are gonna pay
Okay.
for the policy. Yeah.
All
Secondly,
right.
you are, yeah, and you said that you were 76, born on 1947, right?
1947.
1947. Alrighty. So that makes you 76 years young, right?
Yep.
Alrighty. Well, you are sounding way younger for your age. I thought you would be maybe like 68 or 67.
Mm-hmm. I wish.
Yeah. What's the secret that makes you sound so young?
Uh, I just live your life like you want to, 'cause nobody else will live it for you.
Exactly. That's the fact. That's the fact. I got it. I got it. Alrighty. So you said that your first name is Wanda. That would be Wanda, right?
Right.
And you pronounce your last name is Howard. That is Howard, right?
Right.
Alrighty. Okay, I got it. I got it. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that you confirmed your information for Mrs. Howard. And you are still residing in Texas for the same zip code is 77076, right?
Right.
Beautiful. So, how's the weather out there in Texas these days? It would be pretty normal because it's like pretty hot in summer, so you guys must like the weather of winter, right?
Right. Well, it's kind of cool. I think my phone shows the temperature, and I forgot what it said it had. What about 70,
It's
75?
about and oh wow, that's a beautiful weather. Then you so did you go for a walk in the morning, or you just prefer to go for a walk in the
Yeah,
afternoon, or
I just stay in the house.
you stay in the house?
Yeah, and look out the window, see what the
Alrighty,
weather's
so
doing.
okay, so you're in Houston, Texas, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I got it. And it it shows that you mentioned you do not smoke, like you're a non-smoker, right?
Right. I never have
Alright.
smoked. I think it stinks.
Well, yeah, that's very true. A lot of my friends who smoke, I usually do not like to interact with them in person because when they're closer to me, they stink, and I pretty much hate this thing about them. Like I don't know why I shouldn't say this, but it stinks a lot, so I do not like it, to be honestly.
Right. I don't either.
Yeah, well, we share the same sort of like taste for the smoking.
Right. We don't like
Yeah.
it.
Exactly, exactly. And secondly, I think it is sort of like risky. If somebody smokes, that means they put their health on risk. Like if they can get cancer, or there could be other problems of their lungs or their
Right.
mouth. Or yeah, I got it. Alrighty. And who do you bank with? Like which bank do you bank with currently?
Uh, Damn. Right now I can't think of the name of it.
You can think of
Uh, I just can't think of the name of it right now.
Well, do you have like your checkbook with you, or maybe like the bank statement, because you can read it from there and you would figure out which bank are you banking with.
Oh. Yeah, let me get up.
Sure, sure. Take your time. Take your time. Check it. I'll be holding on here for you. I got time. I don't mind waiting for you and holding on for you.